Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create avatar on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile page on bottom right corner. Click on the edit profile option. Now click on the avatar icon just beside the profile icon and tap on create avatar. Select a skin tone for your avatar and click on next button. Now select a hairstyle and tap on next button. Similarly, choose a hair color, then tap next. Choose your face shape and lastly, select an outfit. Now tap on the done button. If you're satisfied with your avatar, tap on save changes, and if you're not, then you can continue editing. Here I'll go with save changes. Now click on next button. And that is how you can create avatar on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.